how to make connections using wire nuts. In this instance, we'll be chaining 3 fixtures into our main run from the transformer. To start, make sure you have wire strippers and at least 2 waterproof connectors. Go ahead and trim your lead wires so they all meet the main run from your transformer. Split each of the wires apart and use the wire strippers to expose a 1/2 inch of the copper wire. Repeat for the remaining wires. Take one of the exposed copper ends from each of the wires and twist them together clockwise. Repeat with the remaining ends from each of your wires. Insert the connection into the connector and begin to twist clockwise. Twisting clockwise is an important step to prevent micro-arcing and shorts in your system. When you feel the wires start to twist with the connector, your connection is secure. Repeat with the second connection. Now test your connection by turning on the transformer and checking that the fixture is illuminated. Once the connector is installed, go ahead and bury the wire at least 6 inches underground. You now have a waterproof, low voltage wire connection.